Hello beautiful and amazing people right here, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing amazingly well. In today's video I share with you this refreshing and healthy Zobo drink or hibiscus drink. Very refreshing, as I said, and trust me, you're going to really love this whole process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin with this Zobo drink, let's start by washing our hibiscus flower, and I'm going to be using a strainer to help wash these leaves very well. This will bring out the sand from the leaves very easily. So now let's wash it for about 2 to 3 times until we have no sand in it. Now while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all, my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now we're going to wash the leaves, as I said, and as I was washing I realized I have some unwanted particles in it, which I needed to take it off, because trust me, we don't want to consume anything that is not necessary in this recipe. Alright, so now after washing it very nicely for about 2 times, this is the end result. It's looking super clean and perfect. Alright, so after washing it, this is the sand that we got from it. It's a lot, that means we did a very good job. So now for my fruits of choice, I'll be using oranges, and I'm using the red and the white oranges. Feel free to use any type of fruits that you want, and for extra flavor and a very nice taste, I'll be using lemongrass. Trust me, too much of lemongrass can also cause your Zobo drink to be very bitter, so a little bit of the lemongrass will do a very good job. Now I'll also be going in with some pineapple peels. This is the pineapple peels I got from my pineapple ginger drink. So I've been storing this in my refrigerator for about 2 weeks now, and it's time for me to use it. As you can see, it still looks very fresh. And for extra spiciness in my Zobo drink, I'll be going in with some ginger. Now let's transfer everything into our cooking pot. So I'll go in with my washed Zobo leaves and also a little bit of the lemongrass. Next, I'll go in with my pineapple peels. Next, I'll go in with my ginger. And last but not the least, I'll also go in with my chaff. So this consists of mango, ginger, and pineapple. So trust me, you know definitely this Zobo drink is going to taste amazing. Next, let's go in with enough pineapple peels and also some oranges. As I said, kindly feel free to use any fruit of your choice. Now let's go in with enough water, and once that is done, we're going to allow it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before we start to cook it. Now whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after cooking the Zobo drink for about 30 minutes, this is what we have. It smells really good in here, and that's just perfect. Now as you can see, it's looking very reddish and it's looking super good as well. All that is left right now is to remove everything from the drink so that we can have a very nice and a very smooth drink. You can also strain it using any strainer of your choice. Now let's remove everything until it's nice and very smooth. And at this point, if you are still with me and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up, and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing recipe as well. And also subscribing is free, so if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after removing everything from the drink, I'm going to allow it to cool down completely, and once that is done, I will strain it for the last time until everything is nice and very smooth. And so after straining it, this is what we have. It's looking super good, and I just love how deep the color turned out. So we're going to go in with our sweetener, which is some sugar. Always adjust everything to your taste. You can also use any sweetener of your choice. I'll be stirring everything together very nicely, and once that is done, I'll taste to see if the sugar level is okay. If not, I'll adjust everything to my taste. Now after everything is nice and ready, I'll go in with my Sprite and Coca-Cola drink. It is totally optional, but trust me, today I want to really have a very nice taste of my Zobo drink. If you don't like it, you can omit this stage totally, but trust me, the end results will just amaze you. It was super good and you're going to love it. All you have to do is to trust the process, as I always say. Now after adding everything to the Zobo drink, I will stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, we're going to serve ourselves and enjoy. The Zobo drink was super good, trust me. Always do trust the process and you're going to love it. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this special Zobo drink in the comment section. If you are thinking of making any special get together, then I will recommend this special Zobo drink for you, because people won't even notice a Zobo drink they are drinking because of the Sprite and Coca-Cola I added to it. Trust me, it will taste very different. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you once again for watching this video up to this point, and do subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thank you, and see you in my next upload. Bye.